Blackstone Gas Grill Griddle. Unleash your culinary creativity outdoors. Upgrade your outdoor cooking game with the Blackstone Gas Grill Griddle with flat top and 2 burner propane. An exceptional griddle designed to bring the joy of restaurant-style cooking to your backyard or camping adventures. Product advantages. Spacious cooking surface. Boasting a generous 524 square inches of flat-top grilling space, this griddle is your culinary canvas for creating breakfast, lunch, and dinner masterpieces. From eggs, pancakes, quesadillas, and grilled cheese to succulent steaks, potatoes, and teppanyaki-style delights, the possibilities are limitless. Convenient grease management. Equipped with a rear grease management system, you can bid farewell to excessive mess and hassle. Enjoy a cleaner cooking experience and reduced flare-ups, ensuring your focus remains on crafting delicious dishes. Effortless ignition. Say goodbye to kerosene, charcoal, and matches. The battery-powered push-button ignition system offers a seamless start to your griddle adventures. Within moments, you'll have your griddle heated up and ready to create culinary magic. Transportability. Designed for convenience, this griddle features fold-up legs, a removable griddle top, and 2 wheels, making it a breeze to move from your backyard to the campsite or wherever your culinary journey takes you. Storage and prep. The griddle comes complete with a bottom shelf and a side shelf, providing ample space for food storage and preparation. Keep your ingredients close at hand and streamline your cooking process. Warranty assurance. Backed by Blackstone's commitment to quality, this griddle comes with a 1-year warranty, providing you with peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. Its disadvantages. Wind sensitivity. In windy conditions, achieving and maintaining the desired seasoning temperature might prove challenging, as the wind may hinder the process. Residents of windy areas might face challenges in maintaining optimal cooking temperatures. To mitigate this issue, additional accessories like a lid and wind guards could be necessary. Assembly complexity. Some users may find the assembly process to be more intricate and time-consuming than expected, potentially causing frustration during setup. Height discrepancy. Some users might find the 28 inches model to be lower than expected when compared to the larger 36 inches Blackstone griddle, leading to an unexpected difference in cooking height. With a range of features that prioritize ease of use, versatility, and quality, this Blackstone griddle is a must-have for any outdoor cooking enthusiast.